Curious about the connection between white bread, pasta, and diabetes? In today's deep dive, we're uncovering why these staples may not be the best choice for individuals managing diabetes. Stay tuned for a detailed explanation on how white bread and pasta can impact blood sugar levels. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more informative content, and let's get into it. The impact on blood sugar. 1. Rapid spike in blood sugar. White bread and pasta are made from refined grains, which lack the fiber found in whole grains. This lack of fiber causes a quick digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after consumption. 2. High glycemic index, GI. Foods with a high glycemic index, like white bread and pasta, are rapidly converted to glucose in the bloodstream. This swift increase in blood sugar can pose challenges for individuals with diabetes in maintaining stable glucose levels. 3. Insulin resistance. The consistent consumption of high GI foods can contribute to insulin resistance over time. Insulin resistance hinders the body's ability to use insulin effectively, impacting blood sugar regulation. 4. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Regularly consuming foods that lead to elevated blood sugar levels may contribute to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, particularly in individuals with prediabetes. 5. Long-term health concerns. Prolonged periods of high blood sugar levels can lead to various health issues, including cardiovascular problems, nerve damage, and kidney issues. Managing blood sugar through dietary choices is crucial for preventing these complications. 6. Weight management challenges. Refined grains like those in white bread and pasta can contribute to weight gain, and maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. 7. Increased hunger and overeating. The lack of fiber in white bread and pasta fails to provide a lasting feeling of fullness. This may lead to increased hunger and overeating, further impacting blood sugar levels. 8. Inflammation risk. High consumption of refined carbohydrates has been linked to increased inflammation in the body, which can exacerbate diabetes-related complications. 9. Poor nutrient profile. White bread and pasta often lack essential nutrients present in whole grains, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are beneficial for overall health. 10. Limited blood sugar control. Consistent consumption of high GI foods may hinder efforts to maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it challenging for individuals with diabetes to manage their condition effectively. If you found these reasons enlightening, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,